It's an awkward one, this. Oh.
Like,
very awkward.
right.
Oh, I'm gonna have to be quick. Them big bikes. Do you know what they are? Honda Gold Wings, they're called. And I bet you they're going to Betsy Coed. Which is where one of the places bikers go to show off their bikes.
Why not that big mountain where those brilliant ice creams are?
The Penderosa. The Penderosa Cafe.
Why don't they go there?
They might have already been there.
Are they?
Meh.
Brown sheep.
There's different types of cows and different types of sheep, different types of goats. Different kind of Michaels. Little piglets.
You're a big fat pig with this.
I'm Daddy Pig. Don't make me yell! Stop it. Hey, it's Jim.
Why do you need to do that with your dog instead of...
Because it's a bit more polite to put your hand or fist over your mouth than it is to show the back of your throat to everybody. It's not pleasant, is it? Yeah, exactly. Craft and antics. Oh no, don't tell your mum.
Craft what?
Oh.
Shop up here.
Ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Oh God, ow! Why are you laughing?
What was that?
What was what?
Ow! It's like your chest.
Chest, I've got a little torn muscle in my chest. Every so often it tweaks. You'll get old one day, Mike. You won't be laughing then.
What if my kid was laughing?
Who says you're gonna have kids?
You told me I would have kids of my own.
You might do. You gotta meet a girl first.
Where do I find one? How do I get one?
Just talk to one. Drag it to your cave. Just see one that you like. Chat to them. Take them on a nice romantic meal. Date for however long. And then you'll fall in love. You get married, sign a little piece of paper, and your life's over, and then you won't have control of your money, your life, or anything ever again. Am I putting you off yet, lad? Hey. You know the way your mum moans at me all the time.
Is my wife gonna do that?
All women do that.
No.
I know, it was me.
I don't smell anything.
Oh, what are nice. Oh, these are nice houses, aren't they?
I want one.
Wow.
I want one.
You don't want for anything.
What?
You don't want for anything, do you? You always get what you want. Nagged to death for the trampoline and you've hardly used it.
I do use it if it wasn't so dirty.
Well, there's only a few leaves that are blown off the tree.
There's a big patch of bird poo on it, and I'm not bouncing on it with a big patch of bird poo on it.
Just ask Mummy to sponge it off. Oh, look at that! There's Liverpool and the Wirral. Look, and here's Hilbury Island. Wow, what a view that is!
Bear lift. Bear lift.
At the end of the road, turn right. In 200 yards, take the exit. In 9 minutes, you'll reach the gift shop. Did you like that? You're having that, Mike?
Let's see.
Oh, this lady is having to push her bike up.
Giving up. Now get a move on, you silly one. Oh, she's the prisoner. Get on, you silly one.
You've been sniffing the cow pole.
What? Your stomach really that big.
Steady, Eddie.
What? In 5 minutes, we'll reach the gift shop. Where? Aha! Visit.
Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum. Bum, bum,
Why did you let me have that book?
because didn't you do well there? You got more than what you should have really had, but never mind.
I want toys.
You've got plenty to be getting on with there. And don't be savage and Lucy with that thing.
If this is a real sword, if this sword was real,
A real samurai sword.
if this sword was real, and I stabbed a hole in that, right there, but all the food you've last eaten spit out everywhere.
Well, if you opened up my intestines, maybe. If that was a real samurai sword, you could literally shave Mummy's legs with it. It's not that funny. It's not that funny. I think I've broken him.
Glad I found this.
I'm not, because it cost me more money.
Who cares about money?
I do, I have to earn it.
I have to worry about how much you've got, because I want toys.
There's no money tree at the bottom of the garden, Mike, unfortunately.
I wish money trees did exist.
So do I. Wouldn't have to deal with the public day to day. But then again, he's got EFC on the back of his reg, private reg. Everton Football Club, yeah. Says it all, doesn't it, Mike?
He supports Everton.
Boo!
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 Kill him!
Off with his head, Mike.
Clean off!
He took mine off then. Steady.
I'll slice your bald head off clean off.
Less of the bald head.
I'll slice your bald head clean off.
I don't know why you're saying that, Mike. You're my son, so you're probably gonna go bald as well.
I'll I'll use this and slice all that hair off your arm.
My hair started receding when I married your mum.
I don't get it.
There's the view again.
Take the next left onto Martin's
We're nearly
Hill.
there, we're nearly back. 9 minutes to go.
Will you make it back? Oh, we should have turned up there. Oh. It's you distracting me when I'm trying to drive. I'll burst. Burst you. Do you want them sweets or not?
Yes.
We'll pack that in. Pack that in. I do that to mummy.
Hang on, Ian, no, you've just been shouting at him for doing exactly the same thing. That's not on, you can't do that.